ọdún yìí á sàn wá síre á sàn wá sáyọ̀ á sàn wá sí gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn fi ń láyọ̀. Ọdún yìí á sàn wá síre á sàn wá sáyọ̀ á sàn wá sí gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn fi ń láyọ̀. Yeah, that's the Nigerian song by J1. It's a prayer. It's a prayer to say that this year will usher us into goodness. It will usher us into joy. And it will usher us into all the beautiful things that makes one joyful. It's such a beautiful prayer. And I want to start off this video on that note to wish you a happy new year and to pray that prayer as a song for you, because I've prayed it for myself, and I pray that that will be your experience in this year. So happy new year. This is the first video in 2023, and it's such a blessing that we are here, the gift to be here, to experience this dimension is such a beautiful gift. And if you're here watching, I congratulate you for being here to experience this. So welcome again to my channel. I'm Mary, your girl of Creating with Mary, and I'm back again in this year. And this year, my gratitude level keep multiplying. It keeps multiplying. I have many more things to be grateful for. Even between the time I did a look back on 2022 and now, I have had so many things to be grateful for. So there's so much to be grateful for in life, if only you take a look at your life. And you should start the year on that note. I assure you that it will be a more pleasant experience with gratitude in your heart. So yes, 2022 goals, aspirations, dreams, visions have been set at the beginning of the year. But this year, I would like to remind you to be kind with yourself, to be compassionate with self. There's a lot of pressure to become successful in worldly terms, to acquire so much materials, money, things. But the individual state of mind, of happiness, of joy is not considered when people define success. But I want you to be kind to yourself this year and think about, are you really happy on your job, in your relationships, where you're staying? Are you really happy with the way your life is progressing? Those are the things you want to dwell a lot more on, the relationships, especially the relationship with your own self. Because all the experiences you're having in the world stem from within and out. So I want you to dwell a lot more. Be kind to yourself. Be compassionate with yourself as you set the goals, as you draw the plans for the year. Don't be too hard on yourself. Yes, you should dream big. Yes, you should have high aspiration and high hopes. But do not let people dictate what you can achieve or what you can achieve. Ensure that you're taking things a little slower, taking in moments. Taking those moments, don't rush through in the bid to get to your destination. Take a little time to smell the roses, like they say. Take a little time to see the kids and experience the art of living. So it's 2023, I would like for you to consider this few tips. Give yourself time of rest. In your plan and your goals, plan rest. And I've discovered that when I've taken time to rest, I find that restoration actually came to me. Restoration in my body, restoration in my mind, and restoration in my spirit. And even restoration in my physical environment, my material environment. So take time in your plan, in your goals for 2023 to rest. Not stop work, not stop what you need to do, but plan time to rest. And plan time to cultivate your spirit. I'm a gardener, so I know about cultivation. You need to ensure the soil is fertile. If it's become ashen, You need to renew that soil with manure. You need to renew it. We need to ensure that the microorganisms are balanced within the soil, and then you need to ensure the soil drains properly, and then you need to ensure it is well watered before you put in the seed. Ensure that it gets adequate sunlight and adequate air. Those are the things that similarly the human body needs. A fertile soil. So our hearts are soils. Is your heart a fertile soil? That is the question. So 2023, I want you to consider the relationship with yourself a lot more this year, rather than the outward relationship. You cannot give what you do not have. A lot of us are trying to give and give and give, and we're depleted and still trying to give out of the depletion. It doesn't work. It leads to exhaustion and burnout. Yes, we all want to make some money this year. I want to make some money this year. But like I said in another video, the reason why we came into this dimension is not to come make money. Money will be provided as we progress, but we need to refocus our priority to what is our purpose here. Why did we come here? Why are we here? What are we sent here to do? So let us go back into self and cultivate that self. Cultivate your spirit through prayers, through meditation, through spiritual activities that you may be familiar with. It's important that you start off the year with being kind to yourself. It is this kindness to self that makes sure you extend kindness to others. Without being kind to self, it's impossible to extend kindness to self. Without loving oneself, it's impossible to love another. So in your goal setting and in your planning for the year, include this. I'm wishing you a beautiful 2023, happy, healthy, joyful. Those are my desires for me, and those are my desires for you. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, that's the subscribe button down below the video. Like the video and share with your friends. It's good to share positive information to friends and family. We all need that boost of uplifting information this year. And I'll see you again in the next one.